So BYD Seagull, how will you get high input signal, or how will you bypass the front door speakers? So kukunin nyo yung wire dito sa kick panel, okay? So may kick panel area. Sa passenger side, this one, ayan, yung twisted na green and white wire. Yan, green and white wire. Passenger side front kick panel. Ito yung speaker wire nya. Pwede kayong kumuha ng high input dito, or if you want to amplify or put DSP dito, dito ang signal natin. Sa driver side, lipat natin ilaw. Okay, driver side. Okay, this one, blue and green wire. Ito, yeah, blue and green wire nandito. Twisted din niya pag binalatan nyo. Ayan, oh. Pag tinanggal nyo yung fleece tape niya, naka-twist din yan. Blue, magkatabi. Blue and green wire. Nasa socket na white. Ayan, oh. So malamang yung negative dyan is yung green, positive yung white, yung blue. Common yung green na wire, eh. So ito yung sa driver side speaker wire output. If you want to get high input or bypass the signal, yan. BYD Seagull. Okay, isa naman natin patatagusin yung 12 volt power. This is the 12 volt battery. So positive, run the wire. Nakita nyo yung rubber grommet na yun, yung rubber cover na yun. Puncture a hole, pasok nyo dun yung power wire na 12 volt. Yan. Always put a fuse, okay? Before running the wire, kailangan may fuse kayo, ha. Okay? Yan. Common naman yan, body ground lang din yan, eh. Naka body ground siya. Ito. Yan. BYD Seagull.